Hello, guys. Welcome to Space Junk Garage. You know, sometimes you just got to remake a tool so you can get a job done. Because, like right now, these shears are not shearing. That spot right there always leaves part of the branch, and then you can't get it cut off because it's wore out. So, yeah, a lot of you say, well, just go buy a new set. Well, I go buy a new set when I got plate laying around, and basically you just gotta make do with what you got and go ahead and fix it. That's basically is pretty easy to do. You're just gonna take this cutting blade off that's all wore out, slap it right there just like that, and then we're gonna cut that out, bow these holes, grind that down, clean this up real good, and then we'll get back to shearing and pruning. Alright guys, Space Junk Garage. I'll be back when the product is done. Alright. Yeah, starting to take shape. Yeah, a lot of y'all guys got them fancy CNC table cutters, but us little pro boys ain't got that fancy stuff like that, so we have to do with what we got. And that's just a reality of life. So, alright, catch you in a little bit. Well, guys, looks pretty good to me. This the old one that's all laid up, toe up, wouldn't close up the gap, cut the limb completely in half. That's the new one. Hot dog. It look pretty good to me. I do believe that's gonna work just like a brand spanking new one. Put a little bit more blade depth on it so it'd cut a little bit better. Well. Let's just see. how she's gonna work. We're gonna go down in here with some big old limbs. Get up in there like that. Hot dog, look at that. Good gracious, it just sheared that thing right off just like it wasn't nothing. There, see? To me, that's a win-win for me. Didn't cost me nothing. Just a little time. My time. Didn't have to pull no money out of my pocket. I had all the stuff laying around. So, to me, I'd rather build it than buy it. Alright, guys. This is a quick episode of Space Junk Garage. I got a few pruning to do because I got the vehicles that needs to sit in a spot where there's a bunch of bushes. And y'all subscribe, comment, and like, because I need that so I can get off this planet called life that I've crashed on. Later, guys.